Catherine Bernardo update. Yung congrats kay Catherine. Wagi siya bilang Phenomenal Box Office Queen of the Philippine Cinema sa 53rd Box Office Entertainment Awards ng Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Scholar Foundation Inc. And congrats kay Catherine. Saka ito yung event ni Catherine for TCL dyan sa SM MOA Music Hall. Ang daan pang ang tao dyan, no? Isa sa mga inabangan dyan si Catherine. For TCL. Ganyan ka-busy si Catherine.
That you can shop. So whatever it is that you need, whether it's a washing machine, a refrigerator, aircon, you can count on TCL. So sila na yung bahala doon. Mayor, you actually said it so perfectly. You really have to consider a lot of...
Good picture just sa stage with Catherine Bernardo. Yan yung mga highlights, Catherine. Yan, nagpamigay pa nga sila dyan ng mga TV, oh.
Catherine Bernardo and our executives.
Si Catherine.
This is a quick photo with our TCL National Appliance Center executives. So right now, Catherine is making her way here.
Natahan niya yung mga audience. Yung mga fans niya nandyan.
Alright, that was so much fun. And soon, everyone, once again for Catherine Bernardo!
Catherine Bernardo in the house. Paglabas si Catherine, yung pinagkaguluhan na si Catherine. Ayan, pinagkaguluhan na si Catherine. Nakakabang kay Catherine, yung mga fans niya. May selfie po. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. If you switch your reaction like, stay tuned for more videos. See ya.